Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true classic, an absolute banger from the king himself, Elvis Presley. We're going to learn how to play Suspicious Minds. This song is so much fun, and it's surprisingly straightforward once you break it down. So grab your guitar, and let's get caught in this trap. First things first, let's talk about the chords. The main verse section is built around a super simple progression: G, C, G, and then D. That's it. So, we start with G, strumming down, down, up, down, up. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, then to C, back to G, and then D. Awesome. You'll repeat that pattern for the verses. We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out, because I love you too much. Baby, see, it fits perfectly. Now for that iconic pre-chorus where the feeling really builds. The chords change to C, G, D, and then back to G. The lyrics go, "Why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I say?" The strumming stays the same. So it's C, G, D, G. Let's play that part through. It has such a great build-up, leading right into the powerful chorus. The chorus itself is where the magic happens. We're back to that main progression. G, C, G, D. We can't go on together with Suspicious Minds. And we can't build our dreams on Suspicious Minds. The energy lifts here, so you can strum a bit harder to really drive it home. The key is to keep that rhythm steady and confident. Okay, let's talk about that famous time signature change in the bridge, the "Oh, Let Our Love Survive" part. It slows right down. Here, we'll use the chords C, G, A minor, and D. You can slow your strumming way down, even just doing single strums for each chord to emphasize the emotion. C, G, A minor, D. Then it builds back up with those fast dry the tears from your eyes staccato stabs on the D chord before launching back into the full-speed chorus. So, to recap, the verse is G, C, G, D. The pre-chorus is C, G, D, G. The chorus is G, C, G, D again, and the slow bridge is C, G, A minor, D. Practice each section slowly, and then start stitching them together. Before you know it, you'll be playing the whole song. That's all there is to it. You've just learned the essentials of Suspicious Minds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.